Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to manage your angerness because this is the most precious question I ever question ask myself, because I know that this is the time that there are lots of people who have lots of anxiety by frustration, by angerness, you can say all of this. But for manage this angerness we have to take action. I know that at that time we are not able to understand and we want to control it. But when anger come, we are unconscious and we become uncomfortable and we have to act immediately. But for that, just one, just a few minutes before, if you are able to control yourself, that means you are able to do anything. And I personally believe that, and personally I feel this because I have a lots of anger issue, because I'm a very angry person and I want to improve myself. At some level I am improving, but I want to improve all of this at the end. But for that I have to manage myself also, my mind also, because my mind tells at the anger time that you have to act, you have to immediately act. And then I said myself no, and this conflict this conflict were make me this conflict make me uncomfortable and I act like anger. And I acted for my with my children, and I yelled my children at my children. And most of us do this because these are the big problem of all human: stress, anxiety, angerness, frustration. This is all include in all human being, because we made by all society. And if we do something, that's effect, that's results affected all of these people. If all people do something, these result affected one people. That means you have to take a one step at least for improving yourself, not others. You have to take a one step for yourself, not others. And if your center point is you, that means you are able to understand yourself, your basic nature, your mind nature. When your mind acted like anger, when your mind acted like a smoothie and peaceful minded. But for that you have to recognize yourself daily and try to analyze your thoughts, emotions, feelings when it's trigger. And I personally believe that, and I personally began to analyze my thoughts, feeling, emotion, all of these. But for that you have to take patience. Patience is most important for everyone. If you try to make this balance, you have to try daily, every single day. If you take one step for that, that means you are doing good. And as you can say, little effort being counted one day. If you try, if you look your past, all dot being connected, became connected, and you can see which things happen in your past, that there this was good, not bad. And I personally know that, feel this. What you are thinking, please be conscious about your thoughts. And I know that your all thoughts is not good for you. All time you are your thoughts repeating yourself, and your mind repeating all same thoughts. Then say, stop thinking about this is not important for me. Prioritize your important things, and non prioritizing your important things is non prioritizing your unwasting things. And you know that I personally read it and I personally write it, in fact. and writing is most important to clarifying your mind. If you are able to clarifying your mind and make a mind map for you, that means you are going to a right pathway. And I hope I would be able to explain myself also, my mind also, my feelings, my thoughts, as well as my emotions. Thank you so much.